In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for an HSBC credit card in 2025 with this full step-by-step guide. Whether you're a savvy spender or someone just starting to build credit, choosing the right credit card can make a significant difference in your financial journey. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring that you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. To begin, you'll want to head over to HSBC's website tailored for your country. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the tabs arrayed at the top. Hover your cursor over the section labeled Everyday Banking. This action will trigger a drop-down menu, offering you several options to explore. Among these selections, you'll find a list of credit cards that HSBC offers. You have the flexibility to either click on the credit card's hyperlink, which will guide you to a comprehensive page listing all available credit card types, or you can immediately select a specific card. This direct choice will lead you to a new page filled with detailed information about that particular card, including its benefits and features. It's a good opportunity to compare the different options and select the card that best suits your needs. Once you've settled on the credit card that you want, you can proceed by clicking on Apply Now. This will redirect you to an application webpage, and this is where you'll need to gather a bit of information and be ready to fill out several sections. The first segment will request your personal details, such as your full name, residential address, date of birth, and contact information. It's important to enter this information accurately to avoid any issues later in the process. Next, you'll be prompted to provide your financial information. This includes details about your income, current job, and any existing debts you might have. This information helps HSBC assess your credit worthiness and make a decision regarding your application. In some cases, HSBC might ask you to upload documents to verify your identity or address. This could involve uploading a scanned copy of your ID or a utility bill. Be sure to have digital copies of these documents ready to streamline the application process. After filling out all the required fields, take a moment to carefully review the terms, fees, and conditions associated with the card. It's crucial to understand these elements before moving forward. Once reviewed, you can accept the terms and finally submit your application for review. And there you have it. You've just successfully applied for an HSBC credit card. Now the bank will review your application and you'll be informed of the outcome in due course. Applying for a credit card can seem daunting, but by following these steps, you can navigate the process with ease and confidence. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more financial tips and tutorials.